And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Heartland Payroll. But before I teach you guys how you guys can log in into Heartland Payroll, let me tell you guys what it is. So basically, Heartland Payroll is a cloud-based system that works as an integrated service, processing payment, creating payroll, tax forms, tax reporting, and even keeping time and attendance record. So this is like a short description of it. As you guys can see, I read it from over here. If you guys need to know more about it, you can just go to this website to learn more about it, alright? But today's video is on how you guys can log in into Heartland Payroll. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing. So what you want to do is you want to go to your search engine and search for a Heartland Payroll login. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says Heartland Payroll. Once you click on it, basically it's going to take you to the official website of Heartland. Now once you're over here, you need to enter the username of your account. After you enter the username of your account, you want to enter the password of your Heartland Payroll account. After you enter the username and password, if it is correct, then once you click on login, basically you should be able to log in into your Heartland account. But let's say you are not able to log in, then basically your username or your password is incorrect. So make sure to double check them and enter the correct one. And if you guys have forgotten your password, then you can click on forgot your password and recover your Heartland account. That's pretty simple. And if you guys do not have a Heartland account and you want to create one, you can click on user registration, which means you can create a new account by clicking on it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.